Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the Ninja Sweep, what we did today and how it ran. So we just finished up running 4 contracts. I shut it off at the 15:45 and I didn't turn it on until about 9 o'clock this morning. And at the open, which was actually right here, was the open. Ended up, we had a losing trade there. It barely got a loser right off the bat. I mean, it was like a couple ticks away, and it would have been fine. But anyway, we had the winners here, and I went ahead. I was looking for a third win. I wanted to have 2 wins on the trade. So once I had these two, I went ahead and let it run one more time, and it took a loser, and I thought, well, it looks like it's in a downtrend. Ended up taking another loser, and then we picked up a winner here. So these 2 winners offset these 2 losers, and this one offset that one. So we were up 1. And so I went ahead and let it take a second one here. And I thought, well, maybe it will go ahead and sell off and come down. We can get a third. Well, we had a loser here because the market reversed. So these two canceled each other out. And then when I got this one, I was at my 3 wins and I shut it off. So we go back and look again. These two canceled each other out. And then these two canceled each other out. Then we had a winner and a winner. I probably should have just shut it off there. But these two canceled each other out. And then we had a winner here. This would have been another winner, but we'd have had a small loser there. So the market was just kind of going really not favorable. So I shut it off. 15.45.48 for the win. So how do you get the Ninja Suite? The Ninja Suite is a lease, and it is a package of a lot of different items. So let's go up here to the Ninja Suite and click on that. And inside the Ninja Suite, you'll have, there's a video here. This explains a lot of it if you watch this video. And we come down, we have all of the indicators are on the website. Plus you get more indicators that are not available to the public. It's only available in the lease. And you also get 3 bots, auto trading bots. There's a SpyBot Beast, Renko, and Sweet Scalper. The one we used today was the Renko bot. And the Beast bot actually did very well too. I didn't run it, but some of the other users did and made money with it. The Sweet Scalper did very well this morning. And we usually run it on NQ. It's a NASDAQ. It does real well on that. And it did well this morning. We have live trading, live training, the Discord room where I post charts, news, callouts, training, trades, and so on. And here's a list of different things we have. Like right here is the Sweet Scalper. This is the way it works, and it does a very, very good job. You can click right here, click here to lease the Ninja Suite, and with that, you're going to get everything that I just went over. If you need to talk to me, you can click on the Contact Us. And when you do, put in your information here, any questions you have, or if you need to speak to me, you're more welcome to put your phone number in there, and I can let me know when's the best time to call you, and then I can go over it with you. We also have funded accounts that we recommend. There's 3 of them. Click on these logos right here, and it'll take you right to them. There's also some discounts down here that you can use to get that. We've also got a comparison that shows the difference between these 3 on a $100,000 account. You can do whatever account you want. I chose the 100 because that's the one I really recommend. Gives you the best drawdown, and also the they're pretty easy to pass. Out of these 3, I would have to say UProfit is probably my favorite. And the reason it is because it doesn't have a trailing drawdown and you get paid quick. The whole idea, in my opinion, to these is to go ahead and get your money so that you can trade and put it in your own live account. No rules then. When you don't have rules, then it's a whole lot easier. So that's how I do it. That's what I prefer. And it's up to the individual for what they want to do. But again, just go to the Ninja Suite. You can read all about this. If you have any questions, let me know. Be more than happy to help you. And may turn the bot on a little bit later. I'm not sure. Usually I wait till the market settles down a little bit, and then sometimes I'll run it. You all have a great day.